Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossipfunda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic can't sign in into YouTube and error occurred. Starting with YouTube. YouTube is an American video sharing platform. It was created in 2005 by 3 ex-employees at PayPal. The headquarters was situated in California. On 13/2006, Google finally owned YouTube on papers, and since then it works as one of the subsidiaries of the Google empires. Next is, what is the need to sign in into YouTube? Many times we can't sign into YouTube or it shows an error occurred. Now a question may come into one's mind as to why we need to sign in to YouTube. So let's discuss that first. By signing in, Google will provide you personalized YouTube feed where you will see video recommendations based on your subscriptions or watch history. So you do not have to waste time searching for relevant videos and scrolling over not so necessary videos. Other benefits of signing in including liking and commenting on other videos. You can't comment unless you are signed in. You cannot upload your videos on the platform and contribute to this community unless you are signed in, which add to one more benefit. Next is how to fix can't sign in YouTube issues for Android users. Firstly, update your YouTube application to the latest version through Google Play Store. The current version of this app on your Android might be having some bugs. If this doesn't work, try to uninstall the app and reinstall it. Sign in only through Google account. If you are signing in through another account, firstly make a Google account and then try to sign it. Add that Google account to your mobile device by signing in with correct credentials in the Gmail app. Next is for iPhone and iPad users. Just try installing and uninstalling the app the same as Android users. Use a Google account only for signing in. For gaming platforms, your gaming platform should support YouTube. YouTube platform can be used on Xbox One, Xbox 360, WIIU, PS3 and PS4. You should enter the exact activation code, otherwise it may create problems again. Now sign in. For televisions, your Apple TV should support YouTube. It is supported on Apple TV 3 and Apple TV 4. Update the Apple TV to the newest version. Use the correct activation code and sign in. For Android's TV, write your full email ID. If the first method doesn't work, try writing your email ID with the domain name, that is gmail.com. Use the same password as you use for the desktop version of YouTube. If the problem is not still solved, you have to set up an application specific password for giving your device permission to access your Google account. If nothing works, contact your device manufacturer for further assistance. Last but not the least, conclusion. One main focus in this video, we have discussed all of the topics. The main focus was to know about the ways for resolving error we face while signing into YouTube. So to reach that point, we started with brief introduction of YouTube. Then comes the most wanted section, what are the reasons for error and how to fix them. YouTube is a great platform and my favorite one because I'm the person who understands better through videos rather than the written documents. Also, as a content creator, I gain more interest in its technicalities. It has proved either as the only source of income or as part-time work for many people. Many people use this platform to fulfill their passion for being content creators. Even YouTube takes care of its creators. There are rewards like silver play button, golden play button, diamond play button. Then the events like YouTube Fests, Best YouTube Creator Award and many more. This led to the formation of community of content creator where they can inspire, learn from each other and grow together. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write a valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.